Meaning of hastily.
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 Hastily. The word hastily means to do something in a rushed or hurried manner, without taking the time to properly plan or consider the consequences. Acting hastily often leads to mistakes, oversights, and poor decision-making. The result of acting too hastily can be detrimental, causing unnecessary stress, wasted time and resources, and even dangerous situations. It is important to recognize when one is feeling pressured to act quickly and take a step back to evaluate the situation before making any decisions. Taking a moment to assess the situation can lead to better outcomes and prevent potentially negative consequences.